wearing pants.
That's what he always says in videos. See, this is Ted and me. And Altair, the pretty birdie.
On my face.
Who's a pretty budgie? Who's a pretty budgie? There. Oh. That's okay, the budgie doesn't care. Altair, you say something for us? You say hi?
I just know hi. Oh, the kitty bug knows hi.
Reefer Bob.
That was the joke, thank you.
Anybody say hi?
Hi.
We got the bird. Do your thing.
What?
Bird, do your thing. Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Nobody's gonna see this but like your mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, sisters.
Send pain meds, please.
Yeah, this is it. This is the end of his pain medicine. He's high
Let's
with a
have
bird.
one more.
Whatever.
One.
This is pretty much how it goes. Ted high with a bird.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's a happy bird. This is his first time to get out and really play and not hate us officially. Totally hate us.
I just want to prove that there is a bird on my head.
Yes. It is quite... I mean, he's probably... Well,
Okay, I'll put you down.
that actually shows you're not supposed to let them on your head because that makes him think that they're dominant over you. But that's probably why he's... Well, whatever. He's staying because he loves his daddy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, cute. And the birdie. He's so cute. Bird. Ow! Shit.
No.
We're still learning not to bite. He's a baby.
This video is way too long.
Whatever. We'll go now. We all love you, including the bird.
Kidney stones.
Kidney stones. Say I love you.
Because I have still have pain. Kidney stones. I don't think you can even hear me because I'm so quiet.